Hi guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno 8T, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. First of all, you have to open the settings, then click on password and security, and click on fingerprint. Tap on agree, and click on continue. Now you have to set some password, that will be the backup to your fingerprint. Let me choose pattern. Obviously you can pick whatever you prefer. Click on continue, and now provide this screen lock that you want to apply as your backup. And now it's time to enroll your fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is located right here, so all you have to do is to keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Obviously you can just grab your phone and hold it in your hand as you usually hold it. That would be the most convenient way. And that's it. Click on done, and as you can see, from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only, just like this. You can also use this backup pattern, so if you unlock your device you can smoothly provide it, and also you will have access to the device. So that's it, that would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.